Hey everyone, welcome back to 365 Ninja. I have a PowerPoint tip for you today that should be really useful when you're taking your PowerPoint slides and turning them into a presentation. I'm going to show you how to add transitions between slides. So we're going to start in PowerPoint 2013. These steps will also apply to PowerPoint 2016, and then we'll move on to PowerPoint Online. So if you want to apply those transitions between slides that make it look a little bit more dynamic than just the flipping of the slide with no animation or no excitement, you'll go to your Transitions tab, and then you have a lot of different options here. So I would suggest kind of looking through all of these different options you have at your disposal. Some of them are a little more fun than others. Some are a little more appropriate for very business-like or serious presentations, while some will be more appropriate for more lighthearted presentations. So let's pick one of the fun ones, airplane. And once you click it, you get a preview. You'd probably just saw it go across my screen, but let's do it one more time. And let's actually apply this to the second slide. That makes a little bit more sense. So there we go. That's what's going to happen when I give this presentation and I move from the first slide to the second slide. Now, I'll also point out a few other things you can do in the Transitions tab. You can add some effects options. This should be available on most of your transition possibilities here. I can make it come from the right or from the left in this case. You can also add a sound to your slide transitions. This is something, again, you want to give some thought to the setting of your presentation, what type of thing would be most appropriate. Most presentations probably don't need a transition sound, but you do have some good options here. Now you also can pick this Apply to All button here, and it's underneath the timing section, but it actually applies the current slide's transition, effects, and timing settings to the entire presentation. So this is probably the easiest way to apply the transitions exactly how you want them to every slide. If I click Apply to All right now, what I can do is go to any slide in my presentation, click Preview, and we'll see that same effect. So now let's switch over to PowerPoint Online and see what we can do there. I have my same presentation. We'll go ahead and edit in PowerPoint Online. And you can see that you have a Transitions tab just like you do in the desktop version of PowerPoint. But at this point, you only have a couple transitions options. This is something that might be updated in the future, but right now we have just fade or push. And again, you have an effects options drop-down menu here where you can add a few customizations. I can say from left, and then I can click Apply to All. So if you do decide that you want sort of the fancier or the more fun transitions, you should definitely go the route of editing in PowerPoint 2013 or 2016. Hope this tip helped make your presentation even better. For more tips and tricks like this one in Office 365, please check back with 365ninja.com.